man, but God you win. They be want keep my joy, but God you win. I say anything them do, now God you win. No, now God you win. No, now God you win. No. Anything them do, now God you win. No, now God you win. No, now God you win. No. I don't change my name to God you win. And no more, I don't buy more to God you win. They say my market no go sell, but God you win. And then we say I no go blue, but God you win. Them my brother, make them try their luck. My God go win, no my God go win, no my Lord go win, no. Anything they do, now God go win, no now God go win, no now God go win, no. As you don't pass exam, now God you win. And then we say you no go pass, but God you win. You wake up, sit to the last now God you win. Robbers they rob, they no see you. I don't get that laugh. Sister, oh yeah, Bello fast. God you win, no now God you win, no now God you win. Anything they do, now God you win, no now God you win, no now God you win. As I don't get that laugh, God you win.
As you don't start the show, God will win.
Nedu.
As the Bello put down that gutter, God will win.
Dear daddy, make my telephone Korede Bello. Dear daddy. What's in my number again?
Give me.
Today we go fight.
I'll go bite you.
Today we go fight.
I'll go bite. Leave this now.
I want to telephone Korede Bello. That no telephone. That is number. Hello, Dad, my brother. Oh, yeah, me, Dad, you are called win song. Dad, forget I'm there. Did you have a defined intervention? Oh, the song I'm good. He shot me in my ball V. Oh, you dey come studio? Hey, Nedu, you dey here so? Korede come studio, easy. Korede enter studio. You come. We dey wait you. Hey, that's a sweet baby. Bring that your jelly coil hair. We dey like him very much. Don't you ask him call? And baby French. After more create demo. You can come with them. Come. We dey with you. God win in your life. Oh, God go bless you. God win. After what? Oh, God win.
Wait, thank you. You know say, cut down.
You don't want to talk to her.
Leave her. Is it God win in your life? All those guys, when they send them money for money, when they start for
God win.
All those I cannot call their name.
God
then
win.
Then go they sing, as customer don't come, God win.
We thank you for customer, God win.
Anyway, good evening and welcome to the night show for today. Will be February 10, 2015. My name is Nedu and usually my right hand na Katim.
Okay, February 10.
Sexy Katim, and of course our April DJ we always there on point. Sometimes all days usually they can do anything.
Don't ready Valentine. They wear red shirt.
Leave yesterday I read earring. You see the earring. Today I read clothes. Maybe you must see your boxers.
Wait here.
Maybe see your boxers.
You wear red shoe.
Lady, come on.
Come outside. Come outside now. You can forehand too much. Come outside.
But you wear red shoe now. Hey, fine boy, no pimple.
Must see your boxers. Must see your boxers. Come now. Your boxers feel me red. I don't want you know.
You know how you could see me off in boxer. What do you want me to Alicia's and upsides go do now?
No, make them get the feel. No. So, my boyfriend's boxers is so sexy.
No, maybe wear red and blue. Spider-Man.
No, Superman. But now we they talk boxers.
Superman for front. Spider-Man for back.
Now we they talk boxers. What if say na that pants we get pockety? Anyway, now good evening and welcome to the show. For today's show, you go sweet die.
Because God win.
Precisely because God win on the show for today. And we get two guests on top of the show for today. We're not going to discuss any topic today, so we'll get enough time to talk to two of them. And we'll get Judith.
Audu.
We have Judith Audu. And then my own personal person. Korede.
You don't start. Now me telephone and make it come. You don't come call. I'm your personal person. Now you won't call a telephone from my hand when I talk to them. Make I call them the answer when I don't reach.
Okay.
My brother Godwin. No. KB, now me again. I hope I don't disturb you too much. You don't reach the studio. You there outside? Yeah, I trust you. I'm gonna. I come personally. Now me go bring you enter inside. I'm gonna see you.
Go Karan. Go Karan.
No.
Give me now.
God bless you. He win for your life. Nirua now.
Go Karan. Go.
I find.
Go.
Am I?
They go.
Am I all right?
They go.
Oh, Nedu.
I bet when we come back, our first guest,
Nedu,
Judith,
give me that glasses now. Make I go.
Will they come? Easy beats, play.
Give me that glasses.
Go.
Okay, go.
Will they come back?
Baby, oh sweetie,